I am Ro from Patagonia, working for Mountain Travel. I'm going to show you how to get things in a backpack. So we recommend for you to have at least a liter of water bottle, sunglasses, and hopefully on a hard case. With those accessible. A small bandana or a buff neck, set of gloves, sunscreen, and some hand sanitizer. Thicker gloves, hopefully waterproof. Those are great. Packable light jacket, so that will go with you. It's a good windbreaker. A rain cover for your backpack, a warm hat, but also a sun hat, a rain jacket, rain pants, a puff jacket. You can choose also to bring one of these hydration pack. Those are handy also. And a pair of poles. You're gonna be walking with these, so we don't need to pack them. And a pair of poles. All these items, you're ready to go and come.